Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix Microsoft Office not opening on your Windows. So I'm just going to open the storage settings here, and I'll go to the local DOS. Actually, let's go to apps. That's what I meant to say. Why am I going to storage? Go to apps, go to installed apps, and you're going to find Microsoft Office in your apps. I think it's this one, and then select modify, press yes, and then you're going to repair. And that's it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.